majestic, intelligent, deadly. The orca, also known as the killer whale, is not a whale at all. It's the largest member of the dolphin family, and it's one of the smartest predators on Earth. But what makes orcas so powerful? Why are they feared by even great white sharks? Today we dive into the fascinating truth behind these apex predators. Real science, real facts, no myths. Subscribe for more animal facts. Let's go. Section 1. What is an orca? Orcas, or Orcanus orca, are marine mammals found in all oceans, from icy Arctic waters to tropical seas. They're not whales, despite the nickname killer whale. They belong to the Delphinidae family, meaning they're actually the largest dolphins in the world. Males can grow up to 9 meters, 30 feet long, and weigh over 6 tons. Females are slightly smaller, but just as powerful. Their striking black and white coloring helps with camouflage, a technique called disruptive coloration that breaks up their body outline underwater. Section 2. Intelligence and culture. Orcas are not just muscle, they're minds. They're considered one of the most intelligent animals in the ocean, possibly even smarter than chimpanzees in some ways. They have a complex brain with a large neocortex and limbic system, key parts for processing emotions and social behavior. But here's what makes orcas stand out even more. They have culture. Different pods or family groups use different hunting techniques, sounds, and even have their own dialects. Just like human families pass down traditions, orcas pass down knowledge generation to generation. Section 3. Orcas don't attack humans. Despite the name killer whale, wild orcas have never been known to fatally attack a human. That's right, 0 verified deaths by wild orcas. They're curious about humans and boats, often swimming beside divers or surfers. However, orcas in captivity have shown aggression, raising ethical concerns about marine parks. Experts believe that stress, confinement, and boredom cause this behavior. In the wild, orcas swim up to 150 kilometers a day. In tanks, they circle endlessly in a small pool. Section 4. Orca diet and hunting techniques. Orcas are apex predators, meaning nothing hunts them. But what do they eat? It depends on the pod. Some orcas specialize in fish, while others hunt seals, sea lions, penguins, and even whales. Yes, groups of orcas have been seen attacking and killing blue whales, the largest animals ever to live. Their hunting skills are legendary. Carousel feeding, herding fish into tight balls. Wave washing, creating waves to knock seals off ice floes. Beach hunting, briefly stranding themselves to snatch seals off the shore. This shows not only strength, but problem-solving intelligence. Section 5. Orcas versus sharks. Orcas are one of the only animals that hunt great white sharks. In places like South Africa, great whites have actually fled areas where orcas were spotted. Why? Because orcas target their livers, a nutrient-rich organ packed with fat. They use precision bites to remove the liver and leave the rest. And how do we know this isn't random? Marine biologists found multiple shark carcasses with just the liver missing, clearly showing orca intelligence at work. Section 6. Communication and social bonds. Orcas communicate using a variety of clicks, whistles, and pulsed calls. Each pod has a unique set of sounds, like a language. Mothers and calves often stay together for life, forming tight-knit matrilineal groups. Some pods have been recorded staying together for over 50 years. They also show signs of grief and empathy, carrying dead calves for days or even weeks. This deep emotional intelligence sets them apart from most predators. So the orca is not just a hunter, it's a genius of the sea. With complex brains, strong family ties, and hunting skills that rival military strategy, orcas truly deserve our respect, not fear.